G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today, in the past month or so, we've had events such as Coachella, and if you're in Townsville or the surrounds, there was Groove in the Mood, music festivals. So today I thought I would show you guys my little version of music festival makeup. This year the big thing, as always, it's glitter, because I mean at a music festival you can do whatever the F you want. The big thing this year was Diamantes. Now the Diamantes we're talking would sit under the eyes and like drop down, and there'd be something featured in the middle. If you're like me and you don't want to spend an average of about $12 on these packets of Diamantes that you're going to get to use once, I have a BYS glitter kit, which I'm pretty sure if I mix it right will do the exact same thing. So I'm going to show you guys my festival makeup look, which is funny because I've never ever been to a music festival before, so there you go. Now in this instance, I would like to focus on the makeup, the glitter or diamante part of the makeup itself, so I'm not going to be doing anything too extravagant with my eyes. I'm going to be taking a really old, really simple, that I don't even know where I got it from, eyeshadow that's kind of like a bronzy color. I'm not quite sure what you'd call that, but I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyes like I would normally with my eyeshadow. Words are a good thing. Sorry if you can hear my dryer as well. I didn't even realize that that would be an issue while I was filming, but oh well, hopefully the music under it covers it. So I'm just going, and this is bound to go everywhere, so I'm going to try and flatten it on the brush as much as I can, but here we go. Okay, like I said, I hate this eyeshadow for that reason. It's why I don't use loose eyeshadow anymore. But that is okay, that is easily fixed with my foundation. Okay, so nice and simple on the eyeshadow. You don't really want to do anything else to it. I am going to go in and put some liner on the top of this. Actually, you know what? I'm not even going to use this pencil because I'm pretty sure... Okay, no, I'm gonna try. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Sometimes this pencil works, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on what it feels like doing. See, it doesn't want to work. Okay, I'm gonna be real cheeky and I'm gonna use my black eyeshadow instead because I can't be bothered finding my liquid liner. Oh, silly eyeshadow. What? Look at that. Why does it do that? Oh, goodness me. Trying to make me look like I've got a black eye. Rude. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in with my new mascara that I got. The review for that one will be in the link in the description below. Something. Can't think properly today. Okay, so that is essentially my eye makeup done. Again, I'm not trying, oh, don't blink too much, that'll rub or something, I don't know. I'm not trying too hard with this because I want to focus on the glitter aspect of it. So I'm gonna go ahead. Now, the glitter kit that I have came with two different types of glitter. So you've got the thin, small stuff, and the bigger glitter stuff. I have used this. I did a gypsy look with this for a friend's birthday party. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a tutorial to that makeup. It was really pretty, I think, but you know, you guys don't have to. But it also comes with this glitter fix primer, okay? So this goes on first, and this is like, that's what that looks like, okay? It just comes out and you've got to hope for the best, I guess. So what I did is I took an old eyebrow pencil that I had. As you can see, it's still got the glitter on it. And I used that to apply this the way I wanted to. I probably should have washed this first, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna draw the shape, hopefully the shape that I want under my eyes, but knowing me, it's probably not gonna be right. Okay, so now you're supposed to wait for this to get a little bit tacky. I probably should have washed my brush before doing this because I already have glitter in there and I didn't really want that, but that is okay. I'm gonna try and see how I go making some sort of pattern up here to cover where the other Diamantes would have gone. Okay, so I haven't done too bad with the pattern up here. The Diamante ones are normally more elaborate, but I tend to like to go for less is more kind of look. I'm gonna let this dry for a bit. I'll be back in a sec. I've remembered I've left the lipstick I wanted to use in my bag outside. So while I let this dry, I'll be going and grabbing that and I will be back in a second, guys. Okay, so this is relatively dry. I've decided what I want to try and do with this look to get it to work. I'm gonna put the bigger glitter pieces here and try and fade them down into the smaller glitter pieces. And as for this bit up here, I'm gonna put the bigger pieces in the middle and then the little pieces on the side and see how I go. I don't know how this is gonna work because I've never used the bigger glitter, but oh God, it just went everywhere. No, look. Oh, the joys of working with glitter. Okay, so the bad thing about working with glitter that I will admit the Diamantes have an advantage over is the fact that it gets everywhere. It's like dripped onto my face, it's on my nose, it's all over my clothes, all over my bathroom. So if you're gonna use glitter, you have to be prepared for a bit of a mess. But then again, glitter was the in thing last year and the year before, so I'm sure people understand just how messy it can get. And that's probably why they get professionals to do it for them. But this is if you don't want to spend a bajillion dollars getting your makeup done. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this brush and start applying the smaller glitter. So the loose glitter is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's just so fine and pretty and ugh. I love my glitter sometimes. Alrighty, not looking too bad. I'm just gonna add one more thing before I do my lipstick, if I can manage to find it. This is such a mess, you guys really don't want to see this. I found it! my glitter paint, my silver glitter paint. I do like to put my silver in there just to pretend I've got Diamantes in and to kind of finish this look off. Well, the glitter part of it anyway. Now, the thing about this look is you can make any design that you want. If you buy the Diamantes, they're usually set pieces. So you may like the colors, but you may not like the design. So with this, you can do whatever design you want. So that's the glitter part of it. I'm feeling very mystical, I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply my Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. If you saw the reaction to that color, this is not that color, this is a slightly lighter color, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that on to finish off my look. And there you have it, a festival makeup look. I don't know why Lucy's barking. But yeah, I'm not entirely 100% about the pattern that I've made up here, but again, this was my first attempt. I also wanted to show you guys the underneath of my eyes. I think she's done. But yeah, this is a really easy DIY music festival look, and if there is a lipstick that you desperately wish would stay on all day while you're at a music festival, Maybelline New York Superstay Matte, best one to wear. But that's the gist of this look. My only issue with the whole glitter and Diamantes under the eyes is it makes you look like you're in a perpetual state of crying. But other than that, I think that this look is really pretty. I like it. And at first I wasn't a big fan of the glitter. More so, I'm not a big fan of the glitter in the hair, because that's a disaster waiting to happen. This, I can get this off with makeup wipes, but glitter in hair, whew, hell no. But yes, a very average music festival makeup tutorial. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. I was gonna burp then, but I'm not. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys!